Okay, everyone. So now we are discussing a topic in which we will discuss the actual and the formal parameters. Actually, there are two type of parameter in the C programming. One is called the actual parameter and second one is called the formal parameter. So let us suppose we are taking a program to understand this. The program is programmed to find maximum of two numbers. Now, how it is working? First of all, we have taken hash include stdio.h, which is standard input output header file for printf and scanf functions. Then hash include conio.h, which is console input output header file for clear screen and getch functions. Now compiler will first of all come to the main. Now inside the main, we are having integer declaration. Now, here we are saying int a is equal to 10, b is equal to 10. There we are not taking the values from the user. We are taking the values by ourselves. So there are two variables, one is a and one is b. And we are declaring inside while declaration means we are declaring as well as assigning the value. So there the a is 10 and b is 20. One more thing we know that this complete block is there in which these two variables are defined. Similarly, there is one more block. So these are two different blocks. Now this A and B are declared inside the block A. Block A means that is the main function. We can say that this is the block of main and there is block B which is the block of function. Now this A and B, two variables are having no significance in block B because they are assigned into block A main program. That's why they can only access inside the main. Then after that we are saying int n equal to max. So max is some kind of function. Now compiler will see it. Compiler will check whether some function is available. So compiler will go above and check out the definition for that. Now yes, the max name function is available. Compiler will see that there are two arguments present. So compiler will check out that two arguments are there. One is argument A and argument B. Those arguments which are calling a function, they are called as the actual parameters. So A and B are the actual parameters. So these two are the actual parameters and their value are 10 and 20. Now they are giving their value to above parameters like b is giving the value to y. So that means y is declared inside the function, that means block B. Similarly, a is giving its value to x, that means there is one more variable which is x is declared inside the function. So this x and y are called the formal parameters. Now the value of a is given to x, that's why the x value is 10, and the value of b is given to y, that is 20. Now understand only simple thing. Those parameters which are calling a function, they are called the actual parameters because actually, really these are the parameters. Now, if in the function we are using some other parameter instead of a and b, we are using the x and y, no problem. You can use any parameter because they are the formal parameter. Formal means we are using them formally only for doing the function. Otherwise, really we are having the a and b. Now, the values of a and b are copied to x and y. We can see that actuals are giving the value to the formal parameters, and then after that if we come inside, so if x greater than y, that means 10 is greater than 20, that is false. So the first part, this part will not run because that is the true part. This part will run because that is the false part. So that means program will come here and return the value of y, and the y value is 20. So this y value 20 is going from returning type and the return type is int. Now coming back, so this program will come back where it was started. Now the value will be stored to variable n. So now the value of n is 20. We are saying printf maximum percentage d will take the value from n, that is 20. The maximum is 20. Now the output of this program is maximum is 20. Get ch will hold the screen and program will come out. So that is all about the actual and formal parameter, and we have learned that anyone who is calling the function, those parameters are called actual. Actual means real parameters. And inside the function, which parameters we use, that is called the formal parameters.